Hello everybody, my name is Ichiro again. The other day, that was the 19th of July. The connection wasn't very good due to the radio interference, which was caused by heavy rain in the morning. That was really heavy. But today, it's so beautiful day, and tomorrow is the main day when the procession of the wooden floats will happen. So most of the floats are now completed. So let's take a look at those wooden floats. All right, so this is Takayama float. Takayama float. And koi means carp. So carp float. It doesn't look like carp, but it's still beautiful. This is another float in progress. Oh, this is with some tapestries. So unfortunately, on the 19th, after the heavy rain, not so many people and no lanterns appeared. But today, the weather is so nice, and so lots of people are here. Here, this is Takayama. Taka means hope. So hope float. See, this is huge. The weight is probably 9,000 kilograms, 9 tons. Okay, we are doing rehearsal for tomorrow. Big wheels. Again, you see the ropes, right? So the wooden floats are assembled only with the ropes. No nails are used because the float is reusable. They assemble and disassemble every single year. There are some tapestries you can see. And during Gion festival, some of the houses do the open house like this, showing the interior of their houses like this. Some folding panels with the paintings. That particular painting is with dragon. Takayama float. Takayama float. See? Like this. So it's not the major one and looks pretty small. But you can see the tapestry. I can't see the tapestry very well because of the vinyl wrapping over it. But anyway, This is one of them. Oh, that looks bigger. Probably that is the Takayama float. And some of the tapestries depict the scenes of the Trojan War. So it's very Western, very, very Western. The reason for that is Rome, or like the Dutch Empire, gave those tapestries as gifts to shogun and the powerful lords in Japan a long time ago. But right after that, Japanese government, I mean the shogunate government, banned Christianity. And after that, those tapestries were supposed to be destroyed. So the wealthy merchants in Kyoto, they took over all of them, and then, you know, kept for themselves because they didn't want to see those tapestries are, you know, destroyed. See, some of the designs are not of Japan, you know, more like a European design. There are lots of people. So I expected this on the 19th, but unfortunately we couldn't because of the heavy rain in the morning. See, the beautiful design or the patterns. Yeah, this is a Takayama float. See, the tapestries, really, really beautiful. Oh, this one is another open house. Oh, okay, like this. You see the folding panels. Oh, so this is a traditional Japanese house. And actually people live here, but they're happy to open it for the public only during the Gion festival. Of course, this was not open on the 19th because of the heavy rain. See? Looks pretty. Yeah, they're also doing the rehearsal for tomorrow. So again, this is to expel evil and calm down the spirit, anger spirit of God Susanoo of Yasaka Shrine, the main deity of Yasaka Shrine. Okay. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm heading to one of the really popular floats called Ofune Hoko. Ofune means big boat. So the shape of this float looks like a big boat. Really popular. You can see the tail or the head of the boat. Right? So this is so popular that there are so many people. So many people. So the shape is like a boat. Big boat. but it's beautiful. And yeah, this is the front, I mean the head of the boat, because on top of that there is the statue of the dragon statue on top of that. This is the tail. Okay. Really popular. So I think you enjoyed for today, and you will enjoy more tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.